Good morning. This is Don again from thereasonablerealtor.com. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. I'm here just for a quick word. It's not a YouTube short like some of my other videos, but I will keep it very short. I just wanted to bring your attention to the fact that we are offering now finally a complete home sale planner. Whether you're using an agent or whether you're selling for sale by owner, it's a planner that is constructed after 36 years of experience to have a place for all the information that you're going to need at one time or another. You have it at your fingertips. This will save you countless heartaches, headaches, save you a lot of money too. It is on sale right now for $5. And I'll tell you what, if you're having a hard time because of COVID, just email me. Let me know. I'll give it to you. Okay. Don't try to get it through the automated system because that won't work. But email me and tell me that you'd like it, but you can't afford it, and I'll make sure you get it. Anyway, go to thereasonablerealtor.com and I'll leave a link down below in the section. It's a for sale by owner journal. It's home sale journal and planner. If you would do a couple of things for me, there's a place, the red square over here. If you'll subscribe to this video channel, I'd love that. If you'll go to the website, I'd love that too. If you make a comment down below, I will be happy to answer you. But anyway, this planner is on sale right now. It's a printable PDF. It's on sale right now. Go ahead and get it if you can. It's not expensive. $5 today. Not a big deal. It's fairly long and complicated, but not to the point of being killer. And if you can't afford it, but you want it, like I say, let me know, and I'll make sure that you get it. It won't cost you any money. Anyway, thank you for your time. Looking forward to seeing you